Hi Cambridge, so this is a video where we're going to review our answers. We're going to review answers from the textbook and answers from your workbook. So we're going to start with our textbook, okay? So let's start. For number 1, it reads, compare object A and object B. Remember, first tell how they're the same, then tell how they're different. Here's an idea of what your answer could be. If you wrote they're both insects, A is brown, but B is yellow and black, that's right. If you wrote they're both insects, A has no wings and B has wings, that's also correct. Anything that you think is correct, if you have a question, you can send me a message about your answer for number 1. Okay, I'll still be looking at it, so don't worry. Number 2. It reads, let's say you are outside when the temperature is 40 degrees. What is the temperature inside your body? The answer is 98 degrees. Remember, no matter what room you walk into that has a different temperature, our body temperature is always 98 degrees. Okay, so the answer for number 2 is 98 degrees. Number 3. Let's say you are outside when the temperature is 85 degrees. What is the temperature inside your body? The answer for number 3 is also 98 degrees. Number 4. Let's say a fly is outside when the temperature is 85 degrees. What is the temperature inside the fly's body? The answer for number 4 would be 85 degrees. Remember, a fly's temperature does change. An insect's temperature does change. Number 5. The stream water that Linda and Kathy found was different from the ocean water. Tell 2 ways it was different. So for number 5, the answers were cold, or fresh, or not salty. Okay? That's the difference between fresh water and ocean water. Fresh water is not salty, ocean water is salty. Number 6. How many shells does a coconut have? The answer for number 6 is 2. Coconuts have 2 shells. Number 7. What is the juice inside a coconut called? The answer is coconut milk. Number 8. All machines make it easier for someone to? The answer is do work. Number 9. Name a state in the United States that is bigger than Italy. If you have any of the following, your answer is correct. It could be Alaska, Texas, or California. Number 10. Italy is shaped something like a? Your answer is boot. Number 11. Write 2 letters that show bulkheads. Your answer is M and Q for number 11. If you look at them on the boat, on the ship right here, M and Q, they are the walls of the ship. Remember, bulkheads are the ship's walls. Number 12. Write 2 letters that show decks. The answer for number 12 is R and S. If you look at the ship and you look at R and you look at S, you would see that they are the ceilings, okay? And the floors of the ship. Number 13. Which letter shows where the bow is? Your answer is P. If you look at the ship, the bow is the front of the ship, okay? The next question. Number 14. Which letter shows where the stern is? The answer is N. If you look at the ship, you can see it there, all right? Number 15. Which arrow shows the way Linda's hand will move? If you look at the picture, which arrow tells you which way Melinda's hand is going to move? Arrow E or arrow G? The answer for number 15 is E. Number 16, which arrow shows the way the crate will move? The answer for 16 is G. Turn the page. Number 17, the biggest state in the United States is? Your answer is Alaska. Number 18, the second biggest state in the United States is? Your answer is Texas. Number 19, a mile is a little more than? Your answer is 5,000 feet. Number 20, write the name of the state in the United States that is bigger than Japan. Your answer is Alaska. Number 21, you would have the least power if you pushed against one of the handles. Which handle is that? Look at the picture, boys and girls. Your answer is I. Number 22, which handle would give you the most power? Your answer is F. Number 23, write the letter of the plane that is in the warmest air. Your answer is E. Remember, the lower something is in the air, the warmer it is. The higher it goes, the cooler the air gets. Number 24, write the letter of the plane that is in the coldest air. Your answer is D. Number 25, does dew form in the middle of the day? Get ready. Your answer is no. Number 26, dew forms when the air gets? Your answer is cooler. And 27, what's the boiling temperature of water? Your answer is 212 degrees. All right. I'm going to close the textbook. Get your workbook. On your workbook, we're going to grade lesson 59. Okay, and give you a couple seconds to get it if you don't have it with you. So, for number 1 on workbook, Linda and Kathy built something to help them. Your answer is pull the net from the ocean. Number 2, what did the girls find floating in the water? Your answer is a first aid kit. Number 3, the white box probably came from? Your answer is their ship. Number 4, what was the most important thing inside the box? Your answer is matches. Number 5, why didn't the girls test them right away? The answer is they would need them later. The first one. Number 6, the girls made a? Your answer is machine. Number 7, what did the girls use for a handle? Your answer is a board. Turn the page. Number 8. It reads, the girls hammered the handle to the end of? Your answer is a log. Number 9. The girls got nails from? Your answer is a crate. Number 10. They tied one end of the vine to the log and the other end of the vine to the? Your answer is, for number 10, your answer is net. Number 11. When the fish were in the net, the girls turned the handle. Number 12. The by the handle shows which way it turns. Start at the dot on the log. Make an arrow on the log to show which way it turns. So I'm going to get my red pen so you can see. For number 12, you should have done this. From this dot right here, your arrow is turning. Your arrow should look like this because when they move this handle this way, the log is going to move that way. Okay? Number 13, make an arrow by the vine to show which way it moves. So let's look at the vine. When the log turns, that vine is gonna what? Move forward or back? Get ready? Yes, it's gonna move forward too. So your arrow should look like that for 13. Okay? All right. Well, thank you for being patient and thank you for reviewing your work. Enjoy your Friday.